guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kendra, and today I was very inspired by Demi Lovato. Just released a new song called It's Okay Not to Be Okay. Music video came out today, and her makeup in this video is so pretty and it's so pink, and I want it on my face, so that's what we're gonna do. Yeah. So pretty. Okay, so for today's look, I have a couple new products I'm going to be trying. I ordered the liquid concealer from Charlotte Tilbury, the Magic Away concealer, and I also ordered the contour wand, Hollywood contour wand from Charlotte Tilbury. So I'm going to try that out. I don't have too high hopes for it, but we're gonna try it out. So yeah, I'm just gonna put some makeup on, and my mother is over there, so if I look over there sometimes, it's because she's probably judging me, my life choices. Yeah, so that's what's happening. All right, let's get started. Okay, so for primer today, I'm going to be going back to my favorite combination of the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer and the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Okay, and for foundation, I'm going to be going in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation in the shade 120. So I'm going to be taking the Magic Away Liquid Concealer from Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm going to be taking shades 1 and 2. They're both fair, which Casper over here needs it. Okay, well, this kind of exploded, so I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand and blend it with a brush. I'm just gonna set my face with the NC15 powder from MAC. And I am planning on having this makeup on all day, so I'm just gonna go in with the Anastasia setting powder in vanilla and set under my eyes and around my nose. And for eyebrows today, I'm going to be going in with the Hourglass Arch Micro Sculpting Pencil. Alrighty, now for eyes today, I'm going to be going in with one of my favorites. This is the Anastasia Norvina, I think this is the volume 4 palette. Yeah, the volume 4 palette. has a lot of really pretty pinks, which the makeup that LOVATO had was very pink and was very pretty. Okay, so first I'm going to go in with the shade A4, which is just a light transition shade. And even when I'm doing bright looks, I like to go in with this kind of a light shade because I can start to kind of map out where I want to take the shape of the eye. And in this case, I'm pulling everything up because we want it to go into like a wing kind of shape. So next I'm going to go in with C2, which is one of the brighter pinks in the palette. Okay, and then I'm going to take the shade E4, which is kind of a darker, mauvey, purpley color. It's really pretty. And I'm taking it on a thinner blending brush and making the outer edge a little bit more defined. Okay, and then from looking at the picture, it looks like she has kind of a gold shimmer going on the lid and in the inner corner. So, I'm going to take the shade A5 in this palette. So the lower lash line, I'm first gonna go in with that purple that we took earlier, E4. Lay that down first. And then I'm gonna take a mix of C2 and E5 to smoke it out. And for eyelashes today, I'm going to be going in with the Lily Lashes 3D Mink in the style Canes. Okay, so I am gonna go finish the other eye off camera and I will be right back. Okay, so for blush today, I'm gonna be going in with the MAC Extra Dimension blush in the shade Rosy Cheeks. And for highlighter, I'm gonna be going in with the Benefit Cookie highlighter. setting spray, I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Set.